In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Robots.txt and Sitemap link in Dreamweaver. Start by launching Dreamweaver on your device so you're ready to work within your site's files. Open your website or HTML project so you can see your site structure in the Files panel. Make sure you're connected to the correct remote server in Dreamweaver if you plan to upload right away. Next, create the Robots.txt file. In your site's local project folder, open a plain text editor, like Notepad on Windows or TextEdit set to plain text on Mac OS. Avoid word processors, because Robots.txt must be a simple text file without formatting. In that blank document, add the basic directives that guide search engine crawlers. For an allow all setup with a sitemap reference, you can type the following in plain language. On the first line, type user agent. On the second line, type disallow, with nothing after the colon, which means nothing is blocked. On the third line, type sitemap, followed by the full URL to your sitemap, for example, http://www.example.com sitemap XML. Using the full URL helps crawlers find your sitemap reliably. Save this file as robots.txt and make sure it's saved as a .txt file, not .rtf or any other format. Back in Dreamweaver, locate the robots.txt in your local files panel and drag it into your site's root directory. The root is the top level of your site, the same place your index file usually lives. Click the Put button, the up arrow in the Files panel, to upload it to your server. Now create the sitemap XML. Use a reputable online XML sitemap generator that scans your website and builds the file for you. These tools typically let you include your domain and automatically list your pages. Once the generator completes, download the file and save it as sitemap XML. Return to Dreamweaver and drag the sitemap XML into your site's root directory, right alongside robots.txt. With that in place, open robots.txt from the Files panel so it appears in Code View. Confirm or add the sitemap line to include the full correct URL to your sitemap file, matching your site's live domain and protocol, such as HTTPS instead of HTTP if your site uses SSL. Save the robots.txt file and click Put again in the Files panel to upload your latest change to the server. With robots.txt in the root and the sitemap line pointing to your sitemap ML, search engines will know where to find your pages and how to crawl them. That's all you need to set up a clean robots.txt and link your sitemap using Dreamweaver.